To enable and use Nowbar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to look for the option called Lock Screen and AOD. After you enter it, you can find Nowbar right there. Now you can enable Nowbar for some of the apps that you can find right here, or click on See All to see all of the apps that are supported. Some of them will be grayed out since you probably didn't give them permission. So if you click on those specific apps, you can go to settings and allow the notification permission. That way the app will be able to be enabled. Now if we have all of the apps sorted, to access Nowbar you will need to lock your screen. And there's actually two ways to access it. So first way is to just wake up your screen when it's locked, and then you can see Nowbar below. You can click on the Nowbar, and that way it will show you the brief. You can start the brief, and the brief shows you each notification that you received from those apps that you've enabled. You can sometimes also see notifications on the Nowbar. So for example, if the weather app sends you a notification, you will then see it in the Nowbar, and sometimes it will even show you some information about it. So when it collects data from notifications from apps that you've enabled, it will show you Nowbar. You can click on it to get a summary. And I told you about the second way to get Nowbar, and let me show you that. So we need to go back to the lock screen and AOD and click on Always on Display. In Always on Display, there's Show Nowbar, which means that you'll be able to access Nowbar also in the Always on Display. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.